Snow on a snow day with the chair that can handle snow. Got about 8 inches here yesterday in Denver. Now I'm just kind of rolling through a parking lot of heavy snow, showing just how effective these V-tread tires really are. You can see me cutting through this snow without any hesitation. And here's my tracks. You can see my V-treads. Let's do a little more driving around on a snow day in Denver. Yeah, this is the greatest setup I think I've built here with these V-tread tires. This chair does not fall for traction. I'll keep doing some more. Let's see here. I'll make a composite video of all my playtime. Here we go. Tearing through some snow. You can see my old treads right there. Here's some fresh tracks. Oh yeah. I've stopped bothering with donuts because, you know, those are kind of pointless. But it helps to know that stuff like this is no longer a pain. I can just, I guess, track the rest of my driving around. Love the snow. And this machine just eats it. Let's see here what we got going. Oh yeah, nice deep water crossing. Move my gearbox up, so that's not a problem. This could be treacherous. Let's avoid that. Here we go. Here's a deep water crossing. Nothing for this chair. This would have swamped the electronics of any other chair. Here we go. Here's some road work. Deep snow. Oh, but oncoming traffic. Another deep water crossing. This would normally be very prohibitive. I'm gonna go just right across it. This speed. Yeah! So it's like a snowmobile. You gotta make sure you keep your momentum going. Because if you stop, you're stuck. So you gotta make sure when you're plowing through garbage, whatever direction you're able to maintain, you keep going. Here we go. Here's some slop here. Just tear right through it like it's nothing. Oh, hi. Enjoying the snow. Another slop crossing. Normally water like that would fuck this up. This thing is awesome. getting through the slop. So the ledge has changed, so I'm gonna wait till it changes back. Since I know I got good traction here, I should be able to punch it. Okay, yeah. We should. The V6 wheelchair. Once we bust the gearbox, we'll sure. My tire tracks that are left behind in the snow.
I am. I'm taking a picture of everything.
Oh man, this thing's awesome. This thing is awesome. Yeah, I could probably kill it.
Alright.
I've just learned how to do some basic